Welcome to Ask and Learn.
So we have a capacitor made from some aluminum strips and paraffin paper, and the capacitance is already given to us, which is 9.5 times 10 to the minus 8 farads. Now we're given some dimensions. First of all, the paper is 0.025 millimeters, and that's actually going to be the separation distance between the two aluminum plates because the paper is the filling. So let me convert this to meters, which is 2.5 times 10 to the minus 5 meters. And we're looking for the length that we want of the aluminum strips. So we can set up an equation that says the capacitance is kappa times epsilon naught times A over D. And then I'll isolate the area. So now we have capacitance times distance divided by kappa times epsilon naught. And now we know all this information. The capacitance is 9.5 times 10 to the minus 8. The separation distance is 2.5 times 10 to the minus 5. Kappa, the dielectric constant for paraffin-coated paper, is 3.5, and epsilon naught is 8.85 times 10 to the minus 12. So we get the area of the aluminum strips is about 0.0767. It keeps going on. And we want to find the length, which is going to be the area divided by the width. And we are given the width, which is 7 centimeters wide, and 7 centimeters is 0.07 meters. So we get the length of the aluminum foil is 1.09 meters.